Today we are going to learn how we use the point of sale, right? Point of sales is a process by which we can just do the two transactions at a single day. We just receiving the money on the same voucher or same transaction and selling some goods on the same voucher. Okay. So firstly, we need to just activate that feature. Then we just move on that particular location. So we have to use some feature. Just press F11 on your next keyboard. You will get the inventory feature. See there. Inventory features come like that, and press enter. Right? Inventory means goods management. You want to just work with the goods, then you can use the inventory. All right. So we have to just
Yes, sir.
it will provide the option to manage the items, just like unit of the item, price of the item, selling price, cost price, and godowns, and so on. Lots of many things available in this feature. So just we activate it
Yes,
here.
sir.
Here we are going to activate multiple godown. Just click on yes here, right? And after that, just move on this section. This is the multiple price level. Just activate it by using yes. So just activate the two feature. First one, that is maintain multiple godowns for the multiple godowns creation. And here we have the multiple price level, means we can define here the whole price or wholesale, you know, wholesale or retail sale. Wholesale means
Yes,
you want to just get the or purchase the item in the bulk amount, then you can use it wholesale. And retail sale is just like a single piece. You want to sell it single piece, that is a retail price, right? Retail sale. Okay, and accept that. So here we have two categories: wholesale and retail sale for the multiple price level, and godowns for the storage of our items. Just move out by escape and move on inventory info and press enter. Just see there. Here we have unit of measure. Just press here, enter, and pay some units for the selling unit. Just see there. Here we just want to just fill in number. That's why we just type here number. Formal name is number. You can also use the kilogram, gram, whatever you want to sell, in which unit you just type and pay here. So here we choose or pay
yes,
number.
sir.
Then move out, and here we just create go down. Let's see here. Here we have Delhi go down, Delhi, and it's my main location, and accept that. Similarly, just type here Noida. It's my sub branch. So just choose the Delhi sub branch, and it will move on the Delhi sub branch, and accept that, and move by using come out by using escape button. Then firstly we create group, stock group. Just type here and create here automobile. Automobile is my group, and accept that, right? And then
Yes, sir.
here the item, whatever you want to sell, just save that. Just press enter and paste items name, just like this. Maruti 100cc, Maruti 800cc, and it comes under the automobile groups. And we just selling in it is number, and accept that. We don't need to just type in the quantity, weight, and price, right? And just type in discover 100cc bike. It also comes under automobile, and choose number and accept this. After creation of items, just move out from the place and just come out inventory info. Come on inventory info and choose what price list, right? And press enter.
Yes, sir.
Click all items, and here we decide the two rate, wholesale or retail sale. The first is just we deciding here the retail sale, and accept that. Just choose here item discover less than two pieces, means one piece. Okay, that is, and what will the rate? Just type here the rate of discover 75,000, or just type here 95,000. That is the selling price, right? And if we want to just give some discount, then we just type here 10%. Otherwise, we don't need to just type it. Then accept that and choose the another item, that is Maruti 100cc. Less than two means one piece, and again just type here 3 lakh, or just like 4,25,000 for the one piece and 5% discount, right? Similarly, we have to create another price list for the wholesale. Just press enter and again create here for the wholesale rate. Just type here. That is a 95,000, but we just giving some discount here more than the previous one, 15% discount, because here the wholesale rate, right? And again choose the Maruti and let's
So,
and here just type here 4 lakh rupees or 4 lakh 50,000 and discount will be 12%. So you just increase the discount in the wholesale and just decrease the discount in the retail sale. Okay, and accept that. We don't need to change the rate for that. We just give some discount if he purchase, yeah, he will be purchased in wholesale or retail sale. Retail sale. Move out by escape. And after this, we need to create here some vouchers. So firstly, just move out here and you move on this and create some ledgers. First one,
yes,
purchase
sir.
account. Under purchase account, that is a group, and accept that by using Control plus A, and then choose your sales account. It comes under the sales account group, right? Because it's behavior just like sale. And then supplier who supply the items for the selling. So just type here under sundry creditor and accept that. We don't need to just type your retail sale or wholesale. We don't need to mention that. And then customer.tr, it comes under sundry debitor, right? It's the customer group and you just enter all the customers in the sundry debitors. Sundry means it's a group of debitors. That is the meaning of sundry, right? And it comes under wholesale.
Yes, sir.
You will decide on the time of or at the time of selling. So just click on not applicable and accept that. And last one, that is capital account for the money investor and accept that. After creation of this ledgers, we just move on vouchers type. Just enter here vouchers type and create here. And here we create point of sale. Just type here point of sale means POS. POS, right? And accept that.
Yes, sir.
Just keep in mind here we need to just select the selling voucher, just choose the sale voucher, right? And press enter and then move downward, 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 downward. And just see there. Here we have the option by which we can just by default set the by default printout. When we accept that, we print out the particular receipt by the printer. Okay, so here we don't allow here because I'm just trying here. If you just work on real world, you can just activate that. And here need to just activate here, yes, just press here, yes, point of sale. And title, just type here, thank you. Visit again. Just type some message, whatever you want, and welcome. Welcome. And then you need to decide the class, just type your POS, that is the POS class, and enter. And just see here. Here we have multiple mode of payment for the customer. If you want to receive the amount from the customer, you can decide the multiple categories for the receiving the money. First one, that is gift voucher. If the customer have a gift voucher, then we need to just place this particular voucher amount in the particular ledgers. So we just create here Reliance gift voucher. So for example, here we have the Reliance gift voucher. Okay. This voucher provided by the Reliance company and it comes under the sundry debitors. Okay, there are so many discount coupons available in the market. Okay, and these company tie up with the shop and it will allow the discount and taken by the Reliance company or other company in future. Right? So just
Yes, sir.
gift voucher comes under the particular gift vouchers account, and here we just created here Reliance gift voucher. Then move on the credit card. We need to create here another ledger. Just press Alt plus C to create another one, and just type here credit card, credit or debit card account. It comes under the bank account. Just choose here under the bank account and accept that. Similarly, check quantity, you want to just create another one, just press Alt C. Just type your check and DD account. It comes also under the bank account and accept that. Clear? And cash comes under the cash. Understood?
Yes, sir.
After that, which ledger do you want? You want to just use in the selling process. So here we want to just use the sales voucher because we just want to mention all the sales amount in this particular ledgers. That's why I'm using here sales account and 100% selling
Yes,
amount
sir.
automatically comes in this particular ledger and accept that, right? And after accepting that, just move out here, go out from here, and just go on accounting vouchers. Just press enter and press F6 firstly to receive some amount from the capital like this and accept that and press here F9 to purchase goods from the supplier. Just type here PUR/01. You see there, here is item description is not available. So just press Alt plus I for the item invoice. You will get the item, name of item invoice, and just type here or select here the customer, that is the supplier. Okay, we just purchase the goods from the supplier. That's why we use your supplier account. Okay, company purchase the goods from the supplier and sale to the customer. So it comes under purchase, and which item you want to just purchase here. Just give space and choose the go down. Here we want to just place this item into Delhi. 50 pieces. Rate will be now for the Delhi. Just type here which item we have just taken here. Discover. Okay. So just type here 65,000. That is the buying rate per PC per piece. Okay. And then we want to just purchase Maruti 800cc and we want to just place this item into Noida and 100 pieces we want to purchase. And price will be less than the selling price. Just type here 3,50,000, right? And accept that. So here we purchase Discover 100 numbers, 100 pieces of Discover and 100 numbers of Maruti 800cc car. Okay. And after accepting this, just press F5 to pay this amount by
Yes, sir.
cash to the supplier using F5 for the payment voucher and just types this amount as shown in the balance 38254 times 0 and accept that. Okay, it becomes 0, it means it is okay. And then just press F8. It's an important thing because here we are going to use point of sale. Just press F8. Just see there. Here we have the two options, point of sale. So here we need to just move on point of sale because we want to just transaction. There are two transactions in the point of sale, receiving and selling both. Okay. If you don't want the both transactions, just go with the sale only. Here we choose point of sale and choose the class POS. Right? And from where you want to, from which godown you want to just sell that. Here we choose Delhi godown and press enter. And whom? Just choose customer. Right? And it is a customer address. You just type here. And you want to just supply the wholesale or retail sale. So here we want to just supply the retail sale. Right? Which item you want to just discover? Just type here. And just see there. By default, it is taking here one piece. But you want to more than one number, just use the backspace and just type here 5 pieces. It will take the 5 pieces here, right? And after that, if you want to just add another item, just give space and again just use the another item here and just type here again backspace and just change the number 12 pieces, right? And use the end of the item. Just see here, all the amount coming in this section, and we have to pay all this amount by following these 4 modes. Okay. For example, if we have a 1 lakh gift voucher of Reliance, so we just type here 1 lakh. It will deduct from the total amount, that is 1 lakh discounted on behalf of Reliance gift voucher. And we have to pay 54 lakh 75,000. And we want to just pay credit card or debit card here payment 40,000 or 40 lakh, right? Understood? So here we use 4 lakh for the debit card payment. And here just type the card number like this. And press enter and check how much amount you want to just pay there. Check this 50 lakh rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. I think 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. And which bank you want to pay the check?
Yes, sir.
Account, and that is the check number. And enter. And After the balance amount, you want to pay the cash in hand. So just type your 75,000. We are paying here all the amount in the following modes. Gift voucher 1 lakh, credit card and debit card 4 lakh, check payment 50 lakh, and cash 75,000. Okay. These amounts should be equal to this amount. Okay. Balance should be zero here. Just press enter. So wherever we just purchase the goods from the mall, they do the same thing as we are doing here. Okay. And after pressing here, it will accept here. And you want to just take the printout, just press yes. You will get the preview of your printout. You want to save it. You can go through this. Right. Here you want to save it.
Yes, sir.
And just save this document. Is it visible for you? Saving.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay,
visible for me.
just save this, and after saving this, you will get the look in this particular section. Is it visible for you or not?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Which voucher? Voucher is visible for you? Inventory private limited? Yes or no? Hello, dear.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Inventory private limited. Black and white voucher.
It was visible before, but it's not now.
It's not now. I'm trying to share
Yes,
this.
sir.
Just see. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Okay, so you can just try for that. Okay, and this is the voucher as you get after this transaction. And just moving on the previous one and click on here back. Understood? So that is my transaction.
Yes.
And just move out. If you want to just check this transaction, just move on here. Stock summary, just see here. Just Alt F1. Here we have the balance of the amount, that is the 45 pieces, and 88 number is remaining for the selling. Okay. And just move on profit and loss. So here we get the profit of 52 lakh 50,000. This is my net profit. Okay. And you can check the balance here. Just see there. Here's the balance also coming in this section. All the deal of the content here. And just see the profit and loss account. We will have profit and loss account 52 lakh 50,000. That is in the form of profit.
Yes, sir.
And just move on display. And you can again check the day book for the other details. Just press Alt F1 and just move on this section here. This is the detail of our point of sale. Again, you will just open it and just take the printout, right? Okay, dear.
Yes, sir.
Out.